Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you the yarns I purchased in Japan. Recently I went there and got some yarns. Unfortunately, I felt yarns in Japan a little bit expensive, especially in the retail store. I couldn't find reasonable price yarns. I felt a little bit more expensive than in US. But there is some way to get cheap yarns in Japan. That is online shop. I got some yarns from online shop like rakuten.co.jp. I sent them to my parents' house before I visited there. Okay. So first, this yarn name as Hana. Color is sand gray. Cotton 48%, rayon 36%, and hemp 16%. And 40 gram 144 meter, and one pack of 3 is 400 yen, which is less than $4. This is inexpensive yarn, I think. This is sale price. In Japan, usually they sell cheaper than usual before the season changes. And I got six skein of yarn of this color, and another color same yarn. This color is rose, tea rose. I got 6 skeins, another 6 skeins, and this is sand beige. This is sand beige. Yeah, this is power beige. I got 2 pack of 3, which is 6. And I got this cream yellow pack of 3. I got just 3 of these. So total 21 skein of these yarns. And then I got another yarn. This is called Nico, wool 100%, 40 grams, 205 meter. This is also fingering weight or super fine, not sure. Super fine maybe. 2 to 2.5 millimeter hook for crochet. I purchased one ball as 177 yen, which is $1.50. This is a discount price. I got 12 balls of this yarn. Sorry. And I got something from dollar store in Japan called Daiso. There's some dollar store like Daiso, Sevier. I got this bag handle. This is 100 yen, which is less than $1. And also I got this bag handle. Easy to snap it. It just snap it to the material, I think. This is also less than $1. It's very, very useful to make crochet bag or something. And I I got the cutting mat. In Japanese, one coin store has some yarns too. I didn't get, but if you have any chance to go there, check it out. Actually, in California, there are some Daiso store. I think they have some yarns too, and crochet hooks and some handcraft stuff. But they sell everything as $1.50, a little bit expensive than in Japan. Okay, that's it. I will plan to do some tutorial in future in this channel, and maybe I will do some giveaway if I get more than 100 subscribers. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.